Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make gooey strawberry Easter brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of oil. You need the Ready Bake Pillsbury. I'm using the chicks, or you could use the cute little Easter bunnies, either one. And then I'm using some fun Easter sprinkles. Let's preheat the oven to 350 and line a 9x13 baking dish with parchment paper and spray it with cooking spray. Mix the cake mix, 2 eggs, and oil with a spatula until well combined. The mixture will be thick. After it's all mixed, go ahead and spread it out into your prepared pan, and I just used my hands for this. Okay, next I just added my cookies on here. Oh, this one's sideways. It doesn't really matter how you put them in there. And then I just pressed them down gently, and then I added my sprinkles all around. And now we're going to get this into the oven at 350, and we're going to check it after 15 minutes. My brownies are out of the oven. I did bake mine an additional 10 minutes, so that was about 25 minutes total. And they're still really gooey, so you could do an additional 5 to 10 minutes if you want yours more firm, but they are so good. I let them sit in the pan for 10 minutes, removed them, and then cut them into bars. They are delicious and gooey and very strawberry and look just like Easter. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Happy Easter. Bye.